What's going on, everybody? It's Piscean here, and today I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to use Discord app. So, I know there are plenty of videos out there on YouTube, but I feel this is highly needed right now. For there seems to be some weird stuff happening, and I'll go over those things now. Plus, I go more in depth with this stuff. For starters, just recently in a guild that there was a bug in, I'm going to call it, I made myself an admin, not the bug itself, but I'm an admin in there trying to help this person. I got confused and mad about the situation, but also I continued helping. The issue was the member couldn't read message history of the channel. I'll go through that in another video, but here's the way we continue to help them. They went ahead and restarted their phone because they're a mobile user, but also the way I tried to help them was I told them to look on the left when I swiped to the channels to see if they had the category collapsed. So they did. Told them to uncollapse it, and boom, it popped up. So that's one thing. Keep in mind that Discord is very tricky about now. So they had it in the beginning for a couple years, and then they removed it for a few months. Don't know why, but now it's been back for like the past year and a half now or something like that. And categories is something very helpful because if you have whatever that bothers you about it, makes it if you don't want to have to scroll too much, you can collapse that category and the scroll bar won't be so Anyway, about the read message history, that's a permission that everyone needs unless they are being punished in a way or blacklisted from the server, but you still want to keep them in there until they are have sentenced their punishment long enough, I guess. That's a weird way to put it. Anyway, but that is also discussed for another video. This video is about how to use Discord app. So what you'll want to do is go to the link in the top of the description. It'll be a direct download link, so the download will start automatically for PC users. This link is for PC only. If you want to go and download it for your phone, the Android and the iOS app is in the app stores. So once Discord app is downloaded, it'll run its updater automatically every time you launch. But first, you'll need to create an account. So go ahead, pause the video, make your account with its designated email, username, and password. And come back to this video and play it. Now that we're inside of Discord app, you'll see a bunch of emptiness. This emptiness is friends list, a magnifying glass, a plus symbol. I'll walk you through all that in another video as well. But for now, we're going to focus on settings. In the bottom left hand corner will be a cogwheel or so-called a gear. You're going to want to click that gear, and if you can't symbolize the gear, it'll be next to your profile picture, username, a mic icon, and a headset icon. The gear is what you want to click on. So now that we're inside of this gear, you're now inside Discord app settings of your own account. Here you can set up two-factor authenticator, manage privacy, audio and video settings, keybinds, your font size, and the way Discord even looks. So let's focus on the My Account tab first. Inside this tab, you'll see your profile picture, username, and email, along with options to set up 2FA, or better known as two-factor authentication, like I said. So you'll see a defaultish green, blue, yellow, whichever color it is for your profile picture. To go and customize your profile picture, you want to go and click edit, hover over the circle and click it, and then it'll open your file explorer. Go into wherever you have your profile picture path to. Go in there, into that folder, find the image, and select it, open it, and it'll be like magic. Voila! Anyway, so that's it for the My Account tab, basically. Now, let's move on to privacy and safety. Here you'll see a few more options. The option before you give you to determine who you allow to DM you. They are pretty self-explanatory, but I'd be a bad tutorial guide if I didn't walk you through it all. So let's go firstly with the top one, keep me safe. No matter who you have on your friends list, it will scan any message sent to you in your DMs. This means that basically, even if you have someone added on Discord as a friend, it'll scan the message and then it'll let you see it. So it'll take even longer for you to see your friend's message that they have sent to you. The next one, my friends are nice. This will scan any message sent to you via DM unless they are your friend, meaning if a server member or someone that randomly found you on Discord somehow messages you and they aren't your friend yet, it'll scan their message but not your friend's message. So say it's like the top one, but only now it's scanning strangers' messages instead of your friends' messages. And now my personal favorite, because I do this anyway, I live on the edge. This will turn all DM security scanning off, and it will allow anyone to DM you whether you share a server with them or not. Even scam bots, yes. Scam bots are here too. I just had a few on my main account. And yes, I have more than one Discord account. Now, let's move on to the next tab. Authorized apps. This will be empty for you until you start launching apps that need authorization to be synced with your Discord in order to detect what you're doing, plus server bots need this authorization as well. Here on my account, you'll see what it'll look like, and I can make the auth list bigger, but I've got enough bots, I think. Like, you see Me6, Nightbot, Airhorn, Bugsy, Dino, a lot. There's a lot of bots. And there's a lot more bots to associate your Discord account with on Discord bots list website. The fourth tab is called Connections. So, here is the juicy part of your user settings. This is where you get to link your social media accounts, as you can see, such as Twitch, YouTube, Battle.net, Steam, Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, Spotify, and even Xbox. To link an account, just click on one of the icons and go through each authorization as it guides you. Whether it opens up the Xbox launcher app on your computer or your phone, or whether it goes through your default browser to go through Twitch, YouTube, like I said, Battle.net, Steam, whatever. You can also link an account, but you may choose to not show it on there unless you really want to. One more thing here, when you connect to your Twitch account, it'll take a bit, but when you sync it up. It'll take a bit, but when it syncs up, you'll be able to join the subscriber only Discord servers you are subscribed to via the Twitch streamer. This sync option is also a feature in server settings, but again, that is for another video. Finally, here is billing. This is pretty self-explanatory as well. This is where you can add a virtual payment method such as a debit card, credit card, gift card, any sort of MasterCard or Visa card, or even PayPal. As time goes on, you might want to dump some dough onto this app to support the development of it and so forth. And the way you can do that is through Discord Nitro. And further on, when you purchase Discord Nitro, because they allow you to have a game library, and also in their game library is their game store, and that is how they have their partnerships and get their money as well through shares, basically. But that is explained through another another video. Alright, Chaos Army, new YouTube viewers, I've held you up on this video long enough. I want to let you go now, so thank you all so much for watching this tutorial on how to use Discord app. There will be more videos on this in the coming future, so if you would like to see more Discord app videos from me as well as gaming content, be sure to hit the red subscribe button, smash the like button if you enjoyed, comment down below if this helped you out. Check out my Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch links also in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, this has been Pisces7, and I'm out. Peace.